billionaire hedge fund manager, Paul Tudor Jones. He manages a $12 million fund. His claim to fame is accurately predicting the October 1987 market crash. It's Black Monday.
Even a stopwatch is right, twice a day, right?
That's
so there you go. Yeah.
So like he's been the guy, but since then, his predictometer has been slightly off, and his returns have dimmed. And in October of 2022, he said that the U.S. was either near or already in a recession. And as we know, that never happened.
Not true.
Yeah.
That same month, Citigroup, large bank in the United States, cut its year-end S&P 500 target to 4,000, and they predicted a down market for stocks in 2023. Again, sorry.
Yep. Okay. So let's see. Morgan Stanley, they're big. They had to have been right?
Yep.
Morgan Stanley. All right. So on January 12th of 2023, they come out of the woodwork and they call for a double-digit drop in stocks during the first part of the year. This is great. Instead, they went up by double digits, 14% between January 12th and the end of July. Yeah. They did the exact opposite of what Morgan said.
Again. Okay. On April 9th of last year, 2023, Jeffrey Gundlach, who is the founder of the large double line investment portfolio, said, these are kind of funny. He saw a red alert recession signal and predicted the Fed would start cutting rates soon. It's now 9 months later. No recession ever appeared. No rate cuts have occurred, and one hopes that he canceled his red alert, recession alert signal because if his investors were relying on that, they didn't participate in the 24% stock market returns of last year. That would be a shame.
Yeah.
So he gets an also for that call. You see what happens when you make these things? I mean, yeah.
Yeah. I guess someone has to. I mean, those guys are probably sitting there going, someone has to. Exactly. You don't have to. You could just point to the historical data and say, we don't know exactly what's going to happen in the next 1 year, but we have no reason to believe it will be any different from the last 50 years.
Right.
But that's boring. I'm not tuning into that. So,
Yeah. You have to go off the air because who's going to pay for advertising on that?